Got the merch going on. I did a batch of purple, and the idea behind this was to get some red on the outsides and some purple on the middle, and then kind of have that red follow. Well, you can't see it very. You know what? I didn't clean my lens. All right, let's do this again. Got some merch. It was to get these two pieces right here because they have red on the ends, and the shiny part has a little bit of CA glue on there, so you can see what the finished colors will end up. So it does have red and purple, and it's interesting how dark it is because it obscures everything else that you can usually see in that wood. That's some fantastically lined wood. And then over here is a piece that's just straight up purple. Here's some beech that's purple, and the beech, where the wood isn't decayed, it doesn't absorb the resin and consequently doesn't absorb the dye. So you have, that's what's going on in these two pieces. Then up here, this is some of the famous maple from Alpaca Lukes. Except for that piece and the one beside it, these two are from the log up on the hill. It's all maple. And then up here, this is a piece of maple, then beech, then more beech. All right, love this batch of purple. That's some of the deepest, craziest looking stuff I've ever seen. That's just making me want to build a pool cue, I tell you that.